Hold on to your butts, folks, because the world of cryptocurrency just got a whole lot more interesting. The twists and turns in this digital financial landscape are enough to make anyone's head spin. Do me a favor and hit that like button, got it? Thanks, XRP, the little cryptocurrency that has been on a roller coaster ride lately. It's been climbing to new heights and plummeting to unexpected lows, all in the blink of an eye. And by roller coaster, I mean the kind that goes through a burning loop-the-loop while someone throws a bucket of legal documents at your face. It's been a wild, unpredictable journey. Just when we thought things couldn't get any wilder, a recent court ruling sent shockwaves through the XRP community. The decision has left everyone from investors to casual observers in a state of disbelief. Now I know what you're thinking. John, I can barely understand how to send an email without accidentally attaching a picture of my bare backside, let alone wrap my head around this cryptocurrency mumbo-jumbo. It's a lot to take in. And you'd be right, it's complicated stuff. The financial jargon, the legal battles, the market fluctuations, it's enough to make anyone's brain hurt. But fear not, dear viewers, because tonight we're diving headfirst into the wacky world of XRP and Ripple. We'll break it down so even your grandma could understand it. We'll break down the latest updates in their ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. This isn't just any lawsuit, it's a high-stakes game that could change the future of cryptocurrency. Think of it like trying to explain the plot of Inception to your goldfish, but instead of a confused fish, it's you. And instead of a dream within a dream, it's a lawsuit within a regulatory nightmare. It's a tangled web of legal and financial intricacies. Buckle up because things are about to get bumpy. The ride ahead is full of unexpected twists and turns, and you won't want to miss a single moment. Okay, so before we go full-on legal thriller, let's take a step back and talk about why we should even care about XRP and Ripple in the first place. These two names have been making waves in the financial world for quite some time now. In the vast and often confusing world of cryptocurrency, XRP is kind of a big deal. It's not just another digital coin, it has a unique role and purpose. It's one of the oldest and most well-known digital currencies out there, often mentioned in the same breath as Bitcoin and Ethereum. This gives it a certain level of credibility and trust. Ripple, the company behind XRP, is trying to revolutionize the way we move money around the world. They aim to make international transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Imagine being able to send money to your Auntie Mildred in Scotland as easily and cheaply as sending a text message. No more waiting days for a transfer to go through. That's the dream Ripple is selling, and XRP is their secret weapon. They believe this technology can change the financial landscape. But there's a problem. A big, hairy, SEC-shaped problem. The legal battles Ripple is facing could impact the future of XRP and its adoption. You see, the SEC, the big kahuna of financial regulation in the US, has been breathing down Ripple's neck for years. This isn't just a minor scuffle, it's a full-blown regulatory showdown. They claim that XRP is not just a fun, innovative cryptocurrency, but an unregistered security. This distinction is crucial because it determines how XRP is regulated and traded. It's like the SEC walked into a bakery, saw a delicious chocolate chip cookie and said, "Nope, that's not a cookie, that's an unregistered muffin." The analogy might sound whimsical, but the implications are anything but. This legal battle has been dragging on for what feels like an eternity, and it's had a major impact on XRP's price and reputation. Investors are left in a state of uncertainty, watching the market fluctuate wildly. It's enough to make you want to chuck your computer out the window and become a goat farmer. The frustration is palpable and the stakes are incredibly high. But before you start investing in hay and tiny sweaters, let's talk about the latest developments in this legal roller coaster ride. The twists and turns are far from over, and the outcome could reshape the future of cryptocurrency regulation. Well, it turns out the judge in the case made a significant decision that could change everything for Ripple and XRP. I won't bore you with all the legal jargon, but basically the judge ruled in favor of Ripple. There's more on this chaotic topic, but you'll have to lock in for the next video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Till next time, stay tuned, Crypto World.